Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today is our topic is dye projects and crafting ideas. Viewers, without wasting any time, we will begin our topic dye projects and crafting ideas. Viewers, first of all we have the introduction. Certainly dye, it means do it yourself projects and crafting are great ways to express creativity, enhance skills and create unique items. Here are some dye project ideas across various categories. Further move on, we have first of all home decor. Macrame wall hanging. Create a decorative wall hanging using macrame knots. Experiment with different patterns and colors to add a bohemian touch to your space. Customized photo frames. Decorate plain photo frames with paint, fabrics, beads or decoupage to showcase your favorite memories in a personalized way. Then we have terrariums. Build your own mini ecosystem in glass containers. Choose succulents, moss or air plants for an easy to maintain indoor garden. Dye throw pillows. Sew or decorate your own throw pillows using fabrics, embroidery or even repurposed material like old sweaters. Upcycled furniture. Give old furniture a new life with a fresh coat of painting, decoupage or stain sealing. Turn a thrifted piece into a unique statement item. After that we have fashion and accessories. Customer t-shirts. Use fabric paint, tie-dye or fabric markers to personalize paint t-shirts. Create your own design or add codes for a unique wardrobe piece. Handmade jewelry. Craft your own earrings, bracelets or necklace using beads, wires and other jewelry making supplies. Experiment with different styles and materials. Embroidered denim. Embellish on denim jackets or jeans with embroidery. Add flowers, patterns or quotes to create a customized and trendy look. Now we have paper crafts. Handmade greeting cards. Create personalized greeting cards for birthdays, holidays or special occasions using paper, stamps and embellishments. Paper flowers. Craft beautiful flowers using colored paper, arrange them in banquet or use them to decorate various items in your home. Origami creations. Learn the art of origami to create intricate paper sculptures, animals or even functional items like bookmarks. Now we have seasonal and holidays crafts. It includes dye wreaths. Craft seasonal wreaths using materials like twigs, flowers or fabrics. Change the design to match different holidays or seasons. Hand painted Easter eggs. Create unique Easter egg design using acrylic paint, markers or natural dyes. Experiment with various patterns and colors. Homemade candles. Make your own candles by melting wax and adding scents and colors. Use different molds or containers to create personalized candle designs. Now we have functional dye project. It include custom desk organizers, dye planters and homemade soaps. Create custom soaps with various scents and shapes. Use molds and essential oils to personalize your soap creation. These dye projects offer a range of creative possibilities and you can tailor them to suit your preferences and available material. Enjoy the process of making something with your hands and adding a personal touch to your surroundings. So viewers, this is the topic that we discussed in this video. So viewers, hopefully you enjoy the video and We will meet in next video. Take care. Thank you.